DIY gifts. So let's get right onto the video. Alright guys, so my voice is sounding kind of weird because I'm sick. So yeah, just bear with me. And this gift is for someone like that you want them to remember you. That makes sense. Like if they're leaving far away or like if they're never going to see you again, this is a good gift. So yeah, let's get right on to making the gift. This is my setup. It's just cardboard and my painting stuff and that's it. And guys, this is actually really, really, really nice because you guys don't get your floor dirty. So yeah. Oh my gosh, guys, guess it's finished with all the 6 pictures. Well, I just noticed that I'm really bad at drawing faces. Like, I look like a gorilla in all of them, but it's okay. So, yeah, I just need to put best friends here in the middle, and we're all done. Oh my god, guys, I am in love with this. I want it for myself. Like, look how good it looks on the wall. Like, oh my god, I want it for myself. I don't even want to give it to her. And like,
boy, if you don't get
like, shout out to the freaking eraser because it erases like the bad thing, which is good. You know, look at my hands. Ew. To get the finished look, all I have to do is print those pictures onto here, the real ones, not the painted ones. Alright guys, so for this next gift is for someone who like is feeling down or like is like kind of sad because it tells them like lots of good things about them. So let's get right into making that gift. Alright guys, so for this DIY you're going to need some matches, some toilet paper, white marker and black marker, and pen, scissors, and all that creative stuff. Some tape, and some construction tape. Construction paper, sorry guys. First thing you're going to do is you're just going to take all of these, I forgot what they're called, matches. Then you're going to just put marker all over your box. If you don't want to use marker, you can also use paint. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to get a piece of white construction paper and paint it black. You're going to cut like about a thumb size of the paper roll. Your construction paper and cut out the direct size of your toilet paper roll. Once you cut it out, you're just going to tape it to the back. Just crunch it up and put it into here. Piece of tape and tape it to the middle. With another piece of tape, you're going to put it on top and tape it to the center. You're going to take your white marker and put some designs. Then you're going to get 4 pieces of construction paper and cut them up evenly so they could fit inside this box. When you're done cutting them out, you're just going to write some good things on there about the person you're giving this to. Once you're done, you can add something small to the top. I'm just going to make a mini bracelet out of these pipe cleaners. Okay, so this is how the bracelet turned out, and I'm just going to put it in there and close it up. Your gift is finished.
Guys, I forgot to post. Let's do my outro. Ready? Don't forget something.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.
Thanks for watching to the end. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, turn on post notifications, and just remember, never say you can't do something.
Make sure to graduate.
Say you can. Oh yeah, graduate. All right, bye. Love y'all. Bye, bitches.